Beginning woodwork class at the Florida School of Woodwork is a great first step to a lifelong love of woodworking. If you're new to woodwork or have been self-taught, this is an excellent class to take. You'll learn a tremendous amount during the class, but perhaps the two most important things will be the woodworking process and safe tool use. Let's take a quick look at both. Woodworking projects generally consist of 5 steps: design, milling, joinery, construction, and finishing. You'll learn how to do all of these, and along the way we'll teach you how to safely use all of the power tools, including the jointer, planer, chop saw, table saw, bandsaw, and router. If you're coming for the week-long class, you'll get hours of hands-on time under the guidance of the instructor, and you will also have the opportunity to build 2 projects, the most significant being a small table. Plus, you're going to have a really great time. We look forward to seeing you.